is going on, guys? So we are going to make another video about this Mustang now, because we got to deliver with some content about this car, since, you know, we're trying to be known as the guy with the yellow Mustang. So here are going to be my top 5 reasons why I love this car. So let's get into the interior first, because I'm already sitting in here. It just makes sense. Also, if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more of this Mustang and the build that's about to come, please subscribe to my channel. Definitely helps out. Leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to say about the car, if you enjoy these cars, even if you hate these cars, just something, because let's start building a community a little bit, you know? So let's get into it. So the biggest thing that I love about this interior is, honestly, this retro look. I just love the way that Ford kind of, like, I guess made it look like, so my favorite Mustang's a 67 Fastback, and I just feel like they kind of showcased a very classic looking Mustang in here, and it just looks really good to me. Like I said in my other video, I hate all the plastic stuff. I really wish they wouldn't have done that, but besides that, I think they did a pretty good job about really making this look pretty classic. Like, even to the gauges and stuff, like, they're very simple, and I just like that, honestly. Like, to me, that's, I don't know, it's more than, I had a 2015 Mustang, and that had all, like, it had a little bit of, like, I guess, digital stuff going on with it, and, you know, it's nice and all, but I don't need it. Like, this is perfect to me, especially it's not a daily or anything, you know, that's enough for me. Maybe to somebody else, they value that stuff, but I don't know. But yeah, so I really do love this interior. Even the seats, I really do like the seats. I know a lot of people, they'll kind of throw them out and they'll get some sort of racing seat. But, I mean, these do the job for me right now. I haven't really thought about, like, if I'm going to take these out and get something else. I know, like, a lot of people will put, like, racing seats and stuff, like I just said. But, I don't know, I guess we'll see, like, once we start making real power out of this car, what we're going to do. Because, honestly, I don't know. But, yeah, so besides that, honestly, I really like the way the car looks. Like, I know a lot of people are about, like, really modifying their cars and stuff and doing a lot of stuff to them, but there's really not that much that I really want to do to this car, like, I guess appearance-wise and, like, interior-wise, especially interior-wise. Like, I think I'm basically going to leave this almost stock, unless I change the seats. If I'm really making a lot of power, maybe put a roll bar in here. I really don't, or like a cage. I really don't know. I guess we'll see. Like, I'm pretty new to this, so we'll see. But, yeah, also, I put the ball in, like I said in my review. I forgot to mention, too, even these rear seats I really do enjoy. Like, on the 13 and 14, it kind of sucks because those headrests peak up, and it's kind of hard to see out of, and most people have to, like, tilt them down, or they leave them tilted down just because nobody really sits back there. But I love how they didn't do that with these, and, you know, this car's got a lot of visibility. That's, like, another thing I really do enjoy about this car. Like, I drove my friend's Camaro. He had a 2010, and it was super hard to see out of compared to this. Like, you can really just kind of look out and really see everything, and that's pretty nice, not really having to worry about too many blind spots. So, I definitely do enjoy that. Same thing with, like, I guess sitting in here. Like, it's super easy to, like, see out of and stuff, and I'm a short guy. But yeah, so interior-wise, I would say that's everything that I love about this. Alright, so this is obviously my favorite part, is the exterior. I just love it. I love everything about it, especially this color. It took me a while to find this color. They didn't make a lot of them. They only made this, so 04, 05, 06, but this body style was from 05 to 09. So you can only get this color in 05 and 06, and mine is a premium, and apparently they didn't make premiums in 05, so you can only get it in 06. So, and I believe between the 2 years, they made like 1,500 of them. So like roughly like, what, like $750 for each year. And I don't even know if that's right, because I haven't even looked at the numbers. I'm just kind of like, just guesstimating. But, so yeah, pretty rare color. And I just love the body lines, honestly. I just think they look so good. Show them off a little bit. This is my favorite part right here, like how it just comes back down. And I just like love this pillar. And the retro style like back, that looks good. One thing I think that would be kind of cool is to kind of make this like a 67 fastback and maybe like cut this and bring it so that it comes all the way back down to the trunk. That could be pretty cool to do. Not sure if I'm gonna, I don't know, we'll see. That would be really cool to do though, because I've never seen that. I also really like this front end. I really dig this. It just looks so good to me. Like, there's really not much that I want to do to it. Possibly the Roush front bumper I'm thinking about, but I really don't know, because I'm like, should I do it? Should I not? It's a hard decision. Also, some fogs would be really nice. These ones are just like the stock ones. I used to have halos in my other one. That would be really nice to do, but not hating on it. I love the way this thing looks either way. So just a little recap. So number 1, interior. Love the interior. Number 2, seats. Love the seats. 3, visibility from this car. 4, the retro styling from the interior to the exterior, and just loving the way the exterior looks. Like, wouldn't really want to change a thing about it. Like I said, maybe the Roush front bumper, and I also forgot to mention maybe the Roush spoiler in the back. That would be kind of cool. I don't really like the rear bumper at all, but I don't know. Like I said, we'll see. And then my 5th and final thing. So if anybody has ever heard, mine personally isn't yet, but a cam 3 valve. Name a better sounding cam car. Even just a stock, I guess, Mustang. Like, name a better sounding one. Because honestly, I don't know if there's really anything that sounds better than a 3 valve. So here's mine with just a Flowmaster exhaust. I'm not sure which ones they have, but this is basically stock. Like, literally nothing else is done to it. There's no headers. I don't know what mid-pipe I have on here. I believe it's an X. I'm not 100% sure. I need to check. I haven't really done anything to this car, so I haven't been under there to really know. But, so yeah, let's check out a clip of this exhaust, because, you know, it sounds pretty good. Just to mention too, that was not a cold start. That I have been driving this car for a little bit and it was idling for a while, so not a cold start. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys should really look into a 3 valve. They're super underrated and they look awesome. I don't know why people hate on them so much, but I love this car. Would not get rid of it ever unless I had to, but I'm never getting rid of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can please give it a like, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out. And I hope you guys are ready for this build, because I hope it's going to be insane. We'll see. But once we get back, we're going to start digging into this car. And I'll make a video about what we're actually going to start doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.